All right, guys, you're going to love this. So especially if you've never used Netlify, this is going to be what really makes this tutorial worth watching for most of you. So Netlify is a wonderful hosting site, and the free tier is very generous. So you can create and host multiple VueJS applications on there with no problems for absolutely no cost. And I'm going to show you how you can do that right now. All right, so at this point we've got our GitHub repository on github.com, and we're going to link our Netlify hosting service to that. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to netlify.com. If you don't already have an account, you can create one. So Netlify lets you deploy your site from a repository and not just GitHub. So you can deploy it if you have your repository on GitLab or Bitbucket. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to hook it to our repository. We're going to put in the branch we want. We're going to give it the build command and the directory we want it to pull our project's built files from. So if you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up. And if you do, you can go ahead and log in. So the thing here to remember also is you can log into Netlify with your GitHub account that you just created or you previously had. So when you click log in, just choose with GitHub and it'll pull you right in. Okay, so once you're into your GitHub account, you're going to hit that button that says new site from Git. And at this point, you're going to hit GitHub. You're going to choose the repository. The branch to deploy is going to be master, and the build command is going to be npm run build. The published directory is going to be dist, D-I-S-T. And you're going to hit deploy site. So it is now deploying your site on Netlify. You can see up there it says site deploy in progress. So it gives you a generic site name up there that's just randomly generated. So if we go to site settings and then go down to site information, change site name, you can name that whatever your project's called. Probably what you named your folder earlier. So put in whatever you want to call your site and then hit save. And you can see that's going to be the URL for your site. So now if we go to deploys, it's already published. So our site is already live. We're going to go to this URL right here. And there you go. There is your Vue CLI 3 application, single page application up and running online with free web hosting. That easy. So you can see how valuable this can be when you're creating these Vue applications and testing them. And it's just so easy. It takes a lot of the hard parts out of it. So you can focus on making your application amazing and not focus on so much of the other stuff. So I'm going to create a review video that goes through all of these steps really quickly. You know, we're going to skip the part of installing Node and installing Vue CLI 3 and just assume that you have those done. And we're going to walk through and review creating a application, linking the GitHub repository or creating the GitHub repository and then hosting it on Netlify. And we're going to just speed right through it so you can kind of review it, see it all over again. It even use that in the future to help you if you forget a step or something. You can just walk through creating a Vue CLI 3 application and getting it up and running on Netlify with that video. So I'm going to link it right here. Make sure you check that out. Thanks.